Good evening, all of you. Today we are going to see about class 12 maths question evaluate. So this is the definite integral upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0, x into 1 minus x whole power n into dx when n belongs to natural numbers. So this is the question. So we have to find the answer. We have to evaluate that integral. For that, what we do is we make use of the definite integral property. That is 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a. Wherever we see x, this x is replaced by a minus x into dx. This is the property of the definite integral. Similarly, for this problem, what happens is, so this will be changed to is equal to, here x is replaced by a minus x. In this case it is 1. So x will be replaced by 1 minus x. So this is equal to integral 0 to 1, x will be replaced by 1 minus x into 1 minus, here we have x, this x will be replaced by 1 minus x, 1 minus x whole power n into dx. So how we got this integral? By making use of this property, definite integral property. Okay. Now the next step will be integral 0 to 1 minus x, 1 minus 1, minus and minus plus x whole power n into dx. So the next step will be integral 0 to 1 minus x into 1 minus 1, 0. So we will be having x power n into dx. This will be the next step. Next step will be next to this step will be integral 0 to 1 x power n into 1 is x power n minus x into x power n, x into x power n into dx. So now this integral will become integral 0 to 1 x power n into dx. This is one integral. Next integral will be 0 to 1. This is power 1. Base is equal, therefore powers can be added. X power n plus 1 into dx. Okay. Now the next step will be the answer for this is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus, the answer for this one is x power n plus 1 we have plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus 1. Now we have the upper limit as 1 and lower limit as 0. Now we have to substitute the upper limit 1. So that is, this will give you 1 power n plus 1 by n plus 1. In the place of x, you have to substitute the limits, upper limit, minus 1 power n plus 2 by n plus 2. So this is upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit for x you have to substitute 0. So 0 by anything is 0 only, here also 0. So this value is going to be 0. So the next step will be 1 power anything will be 1 by n plus 1. Here again minus 1 power anything will be 1 by n plus 2. Now you take LCM and simplify, then you will get the answer. That is n plus 1 into n plus 2 is the LCM, cross multiply n plus 2 minus n plus 1. Now this will give you n plus 2 minus n minus 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. So that will give you the answer. This n and n gets cancelled. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2. So this will be the final answer. The answer for this problem, integration 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x power n into dx is, this is the answer. So we have made use of the definite integral property and we got the answer like this. Hope you have understood to solve this problem. Thanks for watching this video.